Nolo Legal Forms Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people assume legal forms are complicated and expensive, but Nolo makes it simple and affordable. Nolo offers a variety of documents for one-time purchase, usually per form, or access to multiple forms through their subscription service at per month. Forms cover business, estate planning, real estate, and personal legal needs. Step-by-step guidance ensures compliance with state-specific laws, reducing errors and stress. For example, a small business owner can create an operating agreement, non-disclosure agreement, and employee contract without hiring a lawyer, saving hundreds of dollars while maintaining legal accuracy. Nolo also provide educational content and legal guides, adding value for DI users. In conclusion, Nolo offers cost-effective, accessible legal forms for individuals and small businesses. Transparent pricing, comprehensive instructions, and flexible purchase options make it a practical choice for managing legal documents without expensive attorney fees.